I should have worn bunny ears for this video. Hey guys, it's me, Becca, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to bring to you guys an Easter treat. I'm very excited about it. I found it on the internets. Easter is just about 2 weeks away, and I figured what would be more adorable than to have super cute desserts on the table, because normally for Easter everybody has, you know, their traditional dishes that they like to do. But this is the cutest little dessert that you could leave pre-made. It could even, like, if you put it on a tray, it could be like the centerpiece to a table, because this is so darn cute, and children and anybody would love to make it. And it's super easy and just a nice little festive thing to do. Even it includes Peeps, and I love Peeps. I mean, who doesn't love neon marshmallow treats? It's delicious. So I said, why not go ahead and make a video for it so you guys can have the idea too. I am so excited. It's a little bunny in the dirt, but the dirt's cake. It's all my favorite things. Let's go ahead and make it. Alright, what you will need is your favorite Peeps. Mine's with pink ones. Your favorite chocolate cake mix. 9-ounce clear solo cups, like that you can see the designs. Little egg treats. These are robin eggs. They're little Whoppers decorated in egg shape. Green cupcake icing with the tips. And your favorite jelly beans. Okay guys, what you're going to do is go ahead and bake some chocolate cake, get it out, let it cool. It has to be like room temperature, and then you want to crumble it. And then I'll show you guys what you do after you crumble your cake. And it needs to be chocolate cake, chocolate fudge, preferably just because it's a little darker. Okay guys, now a few hours later, I got about half of a sheet cake and I just crumbled it down. After doing this, I realized that you could probably just buy a cake and do this, but you just have to ask them for like no frosting. So I don't know, maybe you could get away with that, but I just went ahead and did my own cake mix. I let it cool to room temperature, then put it in the fridge just like that. It would be as cool, because you know you don't want to crumble really hot cake, that would hurt. So now that's crumbled, I'm gonna get one of my little cups, and we're gonna start by just putting the cake mix on the bottom. And as you can see, it looks like dirt. Once it's filled about halfway, you're wanna start decorating. So let's fill a few of them up. Okay, now I'm gonna take my icing, and they have like a tip that looks like brass, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by doing that one. So you just want to create a nice little green layer of brass. And now you want to take your Peeps and you want to decorate them. And this is the fun part, because you can put whatever you want. And then you can get your jelly beans and put a few jelly beans in there. Make it look like little eggs. And then as well as you can open up your Whoppers. And then you want to go ahead and put some of these little Whoppers. And then one if you just want to put little Whopper eggs. Yeah. I have to say, I think I like it better with 2. And voila! What a cute little dessert. Look at how adorable this is. It is just, when you think about it, it's really simple. It's just cake and frosting with little decorations. But it really is just reinvented. So this is the dirt. This is the grass. These are our little bunny friends, and then these are the Easter eggs. I mean, look how cute this is. It's like I'm digging up the dirt. And yes, guys, this is just pure sugar, and it's very decadent with the frosting and the chocolate cake. But it is so darn cute, and I think on a holiday, it's okay to indulge a little. And it just keeps looking like you're digging up dirt while you eat it. How cute is that? This is adorable. Now it's time to eat the bunny rabbit. Okay guys, so yes, it is a very simple, cute little treat and super sugary. But what I love about it is you can make this in a crowd, you can even make it an activity. And I know personally I'm always looking for ways to entertain my guests. And I mean, it's so simple. You need really few ingredients. And I figured it's a nice spin on just a regular old chocolate cake dessert. I hope you guys enjoy it, and you know, make sure to drink a lot of water after this, because this will be a sugar rush for sure. Oh, and by the way, I like the bunnies, but if you want to use little baby chicks, you can go ahead and do your own thing. As well as if there's any kind of chocolate candy, egg shape that you want to put in here, by all means. Do whatever makes you happy. The best part about this is you can customize it to whatever you want or like. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure to leave a comment down below, like and subscribe as always, and see you guys next time.